Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So this is going to be a quick little spooky season nail art tutorial. As you can see, I have my extra long tapered square nail that I've painted pink. I'm using Madam Glam Perfect White, and I'm also going to be using the Madam Glam striping brush to create my design. So I'm sure most of you have seen the Scream movies. If you haven't, I'm going to put up a little screenshot of what I'm talking about. But basically, I'm going to be doing half of the Scream mask on this nail. So I've got my white and I'm just going to do a basic outline to start with on the side of the nail because like I said, I'm only going to do half of the face. And this is super easy. This is very beginner friendly. Anybody can do this, okay? So after I outline the face, I'm going to outline the eye, and the best way I can describe it is like a jelly bean. So you're gonna do like a jelly bean shape for the eye, and then we're gonna outline the nose, and it's like the basic skeleton nose. And then I'm going to drag down and do the mouth. So I'm going to do it larger at the top and then kind of make it skinnier at the bottom. And you do, when you're making like the eyes and the mouth and everything, you want to make it bigger at first because you can always go back in with the white and fill it in and make it smaller if you need to. And basically I was trying to do this in one sitting without having to like go back and correct anything. And it also saves a lot of time in the long run, especially if you're doing someone else's nails. If you make the space bigger than it needs to be, it's a lot easier, like I said, to fill that in instead of having to go back and, you know, wipe it off and start all over. So now I'm just filling in everything else with the white, and I'm trying to make it as even as possible so that I don't have to go back and go over the entire face again. If you've watched my previous nail art videos, then you know I absolutely hate having to go over my nail art more than once. And that's another reason I really love the Madam Glam gel polishes because they're so pigmented, and I usually can just get away with, you know, one coat when I'm doing my nail art. So once I'm satisfied with the design, I'll cure it for 60 seconds, and now I'm applying some no wipe top coat to finish it off. I'm going to cure this for another 60 seconds, and here is the final results. I just think it's so cute. It's a very quick, easy design, and if you want, you could do the other half of the face on another nail to have like a continuing art effect as well. So definitely give it a try, and if you're interested in any of the Madam Glam products that I used in this video, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below. And if you shop on the Madam Glam website, definitely use my code Nailholic30_1 for 30% off your entire order. Just be sure to check out under the pay as you go option. But that's it for today's quick spooky season nail art video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.